The piece I made for TOUGH Art is basically a giant frame. It's the back of a camera, like a digital camera or a video camera. And essentially what I wanted people to do is I wanted the participants or the visitors in the museum to kind of frame themselves in this camera and act out these sort of skits. But instead of it being a regular sort of narrative skit, I created these props that they could hold up in front of the frame so that they could create this sort of strange story. And those props are basically things that are found in the sky. And the final key in my entire installation is that there's a video monitor so they can see what they're doing in real time. I hope that visitors, when engaging with my piece or when interacting with my piece, can kind of take away a new way of looking at their environment. I'm interested in taking the mundane, taking the very common everyday things like a sky with clouds, just really things we see all the time, and sort of challenging or getting people to look at them again, to reevaluate them, to revisit them. So maybe when they come in and explore and experiment with my installation, they'll be like, huh, this is just a camera with a blue backdrop and some clouds and stuff, treetops. Like, how kind of weird is that? But it was really engaging and really interesting to just think about how they move in the wind or what they do. And then maybe that'll cause them, when they go out in their day, to just kind of notice things a little differently.